Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Victoria and today I'm going to be doing an iPhone 14 Plus unboxing video in the color midnight. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Don't forget to check out my last video and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much and let's get to opening this phone. So let's get right into this unboxing. Backstory actually, so this was not a planned video at all whatsoever. My boyfriend impulsively, I want to say maybe like 12 a.m. today, last night, whatever you want to call it, just decided that, oh, I'm gonna get a new phone. Like, I want to buy a new phone. I'm tired of this phone. He just wanted to get a new phone. And I was all for it, you know. At first I was just like, are you sure? Like, you don't want to do research, or, you know, wait a little bit, think about it. But no, he was set on getting a new phone. And this is a pretty big upgrade for him considering he's coming from the iPhone XR to the 14 Plus. So this is really good for him. And he's a fan of bigger phones. So he did enjoy the fact that this is the bigger size. I think 6.7 inches, which is really good with the display. Yeah, so let's get right into this video. So of course it comes in the Apple bag that you go. We did go and pick this up from the store. And this is what the box looks like. This is the 128 gigabyte. And if I didn't mention already, it is in the color Midnight. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this tab right here. Get that part out. And then we're gonna go ahead and pull the bottom tab. I have like acrylic nails on right now. It's a little bit of a struggle, but yeah. And then we're gonna go ahead and slide open. Wow, this is honestly, oh, dropped something. This is beautiful, guys. Look at this. Oh wow. I'm gonna have this bag afterwards. She's gorgeous. He, she, whatever. Gorgeous phone. I love this midnight color. One thing I did notice, but I'm not sure if you can capture it on camera yet, but it is it's a very like dark blue. It's very close to black, but it's not black. So it is really like midnight, like they say. I don't know why I saw this in stores and I thought it looked more black, but like in this lighting, I'm very much seeing a nice blue. So yeah, that's what it looks like straight out the box. Oh, and by the way, I didn't just take my boyfriend's phone and was like, oh, hey, I'm gonna record a video. It was actually his idea to record the video. So I thought that was super cute. Get another video out and yeah. So a regular Apple box, you know, comes with the little pamphlet with the instructions inside of it, the little white Apple sticker. If you've seen my MacBook unboxing video, all the same stuff. But yes, it does come with the lightning cable. We love that. And it's so funny because basically for months I was bragging to my boyfriend about how fast the charger is. Like, you know, the new charger, how fast it is, especially when you use it with the block, the 20-watt block. Unstoppable. But I was basically bragging him how fast it was. And we went to Target and he went and grabbed one of them. And it's so funny, this was probably like maybe a month ago, and like he probably didn't have to buy it because he just got a new phone that came with one. But he wouldn't have known that because, like I said, this was a completely impulsive decision that was made probably almost 24 hours ago. But yeah, so you have the lightning cable, have the box, nothing new. Unfortunately, no blocks that they decided to discontinue providing a while ago. But you know what? It's okay. They have their reasons, right? But now we're going to go back to the phone. Honestly, like seriously, this is such a pretty phone. He's honestly making me consider considering upgrading. Oh, sorry guys, I had to grab a wipe real quick. But he's honestly making me consider upgrading my phone. I currently have the iPhone 12 Pro in silver, and it's a lovely phone. I've loved it. I've had it for about 2 years, almost 2 years. Great phone. I love it so much. But I did want the Plus, and I didn't get the Plus at the time because they didn't have it, and I kind of wanted it like really urgently. So I settled with the Pro, and I'm really liking like the size of this. Honestly, I love it. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead and peel off the screen. Oh, so satisfying. And here is the new iPhone 14 Plus in the color of midnight. with 128 gigabytes. Like I said, he's coming from the XR, so huge upgrade. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. It's turning on right now. So pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. I love this. And I was looking at the camera quality of it while we were at the Apple store, and the camera quality is really, really good. And although it's not the Pro with the 3 cameras, amazing quality, honestly. And I'm by no means any like tech girl, phone tech girl. These are just my observations, my very basic observations. But yeah, it's a very nice phone. Here's the startup. I'm obviously not going to do all this stuff, but yeah, I actually honestly want to like bring his old phone so you guys could see the comparison between the XR and the 14 Plus. Yeah, like it's a big difference, honestly, in size and everything. But yeah, it's a really nice phone, and he doesn't have accessories for it, but he did buy a case, obviously, because he needs a case. And we're gonna go ahead and go out tomorrow to get a screen protector for him, so he's all protected, because his XR right now actually is cracked, which is no bueno. Not good, not good, not good. So we're gonna try to avoid that. Oh, what's this? This is really interesting. I've never seen this before. Oh, I think it's to put maybe at the side. Oh yeah. So you know the cases that have like the buttons at the side of the case, so it's easier to press the actual buttons of the phone itself. I guess it comes with some that are red and yellow. That's very interesting. I've never received a case like this, but this is from Amazon if you guys are interested. And I do believe it is a clear case with a black border. It is kind of fun because it's like a frosted clear, so that's cool. It gives it a little, you know, that's a little flavor to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on his phone. Oh my gosh, honestly, getting fingerprints on a new phone is like, I hate it. And like my fingerprints are on it right now, but it's okay, because I'm gonna wipe it off and everything. And of course, like I said, he is getting his screen protector tomorrow, so we will be able to make sure he's all protected in the front too. We're gonna go ahead and place it into its case. And voila, she's so pretty. I love this. But yeah, this is a really nice phone. This is supposed to be nice, short, and simple video. Just wanted to showcase the new iPhone. I do know that this iPhone and its other variations just dropped recently, so I thought it would be fun to record this video for you guys. Very cute phone, but yeah, I'm really considering upgrading. So I noticed that on Apple, the trade-in, if I were to get, I believe, I'm not sure if it was the 14 Pro or the 14 Pro Max. I believe it might have been the 14 Pro Max. I'm not sure. But if I traded in my iPhone 12 Pro, I would have to pay $599, so $600 for an upgrade. Not bad, new phone, and like it's a really nice phone. And I really think I want a bigger phone, like the Maxes, the Plus. They're such like a nice size, and like I'm a tall girl. Although I love the size of my 12 Pro, I do like the idea of having a bigger phone. Look at my phone, it's big. But yeah, no, I'm just kidding. I do love this phone. Very happy for him. I supported the impulse decision. Very nice buy. But yeah, I love it. Thank you all so much for watching this short but sweet video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out my last video too. And if you enjoy this video, stay tuned for the next one. This is sexy as fuck.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.